Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Picture this. You are standing in a room full of vibrant, energetic people who inspire and uplift you. How do you feel? Now imagine the opposite. A room full of negativity, criticism and pessimism. It's almost unbearable, right? That's because energy is contagious and the people and environments you surround yourself with have a profound impact on your life. In today's video, we are exploring how your environment, both physical and emotional, shapes who you are. We'll dive into the science behind how energy affects us, show you how to identify positive and negative influences, and share practical tips to create an environment that inspires growth and happiness. Yes, growth and happiness. I am Sayyid Salat, and on this channel, we talk about practical strategies for personal growth, mental well being, and living a fulfilling life, and many, many more interesting topics. If that sounds like something you are interested in, make sure to subscribe and stick around. Number one, the science behind energy and environment. Let's start with some science. Did you know that our brains are wired to pick up on the energy of those around us? This happens because of something called mirror neurons. These are special brain cells that cause us to unconsciously mimic the emotions and behaviors of others. So if you are surrounded by positive, motivated people, your brain naturally aligns with that energy. But if you are surrounded by negativity, the opposite happens. Let me give you an example. Think about this. Have you ever walked into a room where people were arguing? Even if you didn't know the context, you could feel the tension. That's the power of energy. It's invisible but deeply impactful. Tip: to better understand how your environment is affecting you, start paying attention to how you feel after interacting with certain people or spending time in specific places. Are you energized or uplifted, or are you drained and anxious? Think about it. Number two, identifying positive and negative influences. Now that we know energy is contagious, how do we identify the good from the bad? An important question. Your environment isn't just about people, it's also about the spaces you live in, the media you consume, and even your daily habits. Key point number one, people. Evaluate the people in your life. Are they supportive, kind, or uplifting? Or do they constantly criticize and bring negativity into your world? Key point number two, digital environment. What about your social media feed? Are you following accounts that inspire you or ones that make you feel inadequate? Remember, even a few minutes of toxic content can impact your mood and mindset for hours. Key point number three, physical space. Finally, look at your surroundings. Is your space cluttered and chaotic, or does it make you feel calm or in control? Tip: create a list of the people, places, and things in your life that either uplift you or drain you. This simple exercise can be a game changer. Number three, how to create a positive environment. Now that we have identified the positive and negative influences, it's time to take actions. Here's how you can create an environment that supports your growth. Key point number one, Surround yourself with uplifting people. Spend more time with individuals who inspire and challenge you to be your best self. Join communities or groups that share your goals, whether it's a fitness class, a book club, or an online mastermind group. I remember joining a local writers group, and just being in the presence of other creatives helped me push through writer's block and complete my first assignment. Key point number two, curate your digital space. Unfollow accounts that make you feel anxious or unworthy. Instead, follow creators who add value to your life, whether it's through education, inspiration, or humor. Key point number three, transform your physical space. Your environment should reflect the life you want to create. Start by decluttering your space and adding elements that spark joy, like a favorite plant, a vision board, or even a scented candle that calms you. Tip: set aside 15 minutes each week to tidy up or recognize your space. Small changes add up over time. Number 4, maintaining the right energy. Creating a positive environment is just the first step. To sustain it, you need to protect your energy. Key points: set boundaries. Learn to say no to situations and people that drain you. It's not selfish, it's essential for your well being. For instance, if a friend always calls to vent out but never listens, it's okay to limit those interactions or redirect the conversation. Tip: practice mindfulness. Techniques like meditation or journaling to stay aware of your energy levels. This helps you notice when something or someone is disrupting your peace. Now let's summarize the main point. To recap, your environment, whether it's the people you spend time with, the media you consume, or the spaces you live in, plays a crucial role in shaping your energy, mindset, and overall happiness. By identifying and removing negative influences and intentionally creating positive ones, you can create a life that truly aligns with your goals and values. Remember, you become what you surround yourself with. Energies are contagious, so choose wisely. You have the power to redesign your environment, and in doing so, you have the power to design your future. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life transform. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Your energy is what keeps me going. Until next time, take care and keep growing. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and Allah Hafiz.